Yes, you can install just about any type of flooring over a radiant heat system, but I would not recommend any type of vinyl flooring. And also, you want to check with the manufacturer because installing some floor over a radiant heat system will void the warranty. But think about it with good common sense. What type of flooring is the coldest on those bare feet? Well, generally it would be ceramic or a porcelain type floor, so this is perfect to install over a radiant heat system. Now, carpet and pad, not so much, just won't be as effective. Hardwood floor is also a great one to have over a radiant heat system. But another thing you have to decide is what type of system, whether you go with electric or hydronic. Hydronic has proved to be a lot more energy efficient.